Hello guys, welcome to my vlog today. We're going to... Ewan ko, nakikita nyo ba yung bundok na yan? Aakyatin namin yan, uwi na kami. Ayoko na umakyat. Sigurado ka pa't akyat tayo?
Ayoko na. Parang ayoko na. Tinitingnan ko palang ayoko na.
Ha? Lalabas pa naman tayo. Tiger King. Ha? Tiger Cave. This is the tiger cave, but no tiger. So na papasok na kami. Simulan na namin yung kalbaryo namin na aakyatin yung bundok.
Hindi siya nakakabis ni Princess. Ay, ano yan? Parang sila una talaga ito yun.
Temple. This is the start of our journey going to heaven. Amen.
Hindi ko kaya.
Uwi muna tayo. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. I will count 1, 2, 3, Eme. Alright. Dito pa lang sa bunganga, wala na, pagod na ako. Let's go, Pat. We can do it. Diyos ko po.
Ito yung matirik ko.
Sigurado ba kayo dyan? Sa may side ka lang, sa may hawakan ka lang daan. Diyos ko.
Gago ang tirik ng daanan eh.
Uy. Okay, fine. And the others say there's a lot of monkey here. Tagabundok naman ako pero bakit ang pagod? Pat, let's go. Kung sino man nakaisip nito, ang talino mo. I'm so tired.
Nakalahati na ba tayo?
Hindi pa, wala pang kalahati. Galing kami dun sa baba. And yeah. Yan pa. Akitin namin. Okay, let's go. Tara na. Kita mo yung galakad sila dun. Yan. Okay, sigurado ako dito. Kaya namin to. Yes, nakikita ko na ang kababaan. Pinag-day off, nagpagod. Imbis na day off. Woo!
Go on, you still got a lot to go.
Yeah, it's close or no?
No, it's open. It's close.
Yeah, it's close there. Oh my god.
800 more.
Maybe we can go back.
No, you're fine. Only 800 more stairs.
Oh. Whew. Thank you. Okay. Oh my.
Yan pa daw?
Nasa 800 pa.
Oh, naka 300 na tayo.
Maybe it's 800. Oh, the fuck. Naka 300 na naka 300 na kami. Kailangan pa namin ng 800. Oh. No, I think I don't want to go back again here. Oh, it's shaking. Hindi. Like, I think mas nakakapagod yung pababa kaysa sa akyat. Ah. Let's go. Pero ito, hindi ko alam. Oh. Oh, thanks God. May dadaan din tayong pantay.
Nararamdaman mo.
Hi. Okay lang naman kami ngayon. Say hi to my vlog.
Ayoko na.
Malapit na kami. Keep going. Pang 400 stairs pa lang namin so may may 600 pa. Whew. Oh, it's like bangin. Ano naman my God. Dito kaya tayo mag-training. Oh, ang lalim naman yan. Tingnan mo, Pio. Parang ayoko na. Nakakatakot. Kaya mo pa ba? Ha? Sige, magsabi ka lang kung hindi na kaya ha. Baka mahimatay ka, Diyos ko, hindi kita kayang dalhin pa baba. Like holy God. Let's go. We can do it. Sino ba nagdesisyon na pumunta dito? Ah! Like I'm enjoying it. Even it's like a little bit tiredness na. You. Pat, let's go. No. Hello guys. Parang nagsisisi akong pumunta dito. I'm regretted. So we've done like almost a half, like 500 stairs. So we have another 500 stairs going up. And yeah, down and but I'm enjoying it. No, let's go.
Go! Te, mamamatay na ako. Gusto mo ba nakalagay?
712. So almost half or half. Let's go. Yes. Nasa baba, taas na kami. Oh. Okay guys, we're almost there. Maybe it's like 300 stairs. And yeah, tingnan nyo yung baba. Look. So we came from there at the downstairs. How many? 984. So we have like almost 200. Because this is 1,200 stairs, right? Tingnan nyo naman. Alright. Yung hagdan. Ah! Whew. Lord.
100 something na lang.
Anong 100 ka dyan?
Oo nga.
Kita niyo yung blue na yon doon sa baba. Doon kami galing. So, a nice view. Promise, I don't wanna go back anymore. Yes, you can do it. It's really close. It's 1,260 stairs. So yeah. Oh my god. You can do it, Pat. Or close. Like, oh my god. We are here at the top of the 1,200 stairs. We are here. Yeah, look. We went out there. I don't want to go back here anymore. Like, oh my god. Look. Here. Oh my god. And the problem is go down. Are you going down? Okay ka lang? Nakaya natin na 1,260. Oh. Antok. Ano naman yun?
Lakad pa ako mamaya. Oh, daming appointment.
So now, so tired, but it's worth it. Worth it going down. So, well, we made it. Ang ganda dito. It's worth it. Oh my god. So guys, yeah, right here. It looks beautiful here. Ay, Popo. Yeah, we are here. Yeah, you see that building? We came from there, and yeah, upstairs. Yeah, and yeah, it's worth it.
You take a picture of us?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Like I would like to jump going down. Oh my god, I don't want to use these stairs anymore. Yeah, it's really worth it. I think that is a Krabi town. Here. Like, oh my god, it's worth it. Going there. Pat. No, habang buhay pa to.
Ayan, dito maganda oh.
Nature. Galing kami dun sa baba. Yung phone ko nagbabaga na naman. Ay, sorry. Ay, puta. Ay, sorry.
Downtown, kilalad ka lang.